In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Jira report to your Confluence pages, a skill that can significantly streamline your project management processes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate data from Jira into your Confluence documents, making information more accessible to your team. Let's start by ensuring that your Confluence and Jira applications are properly linked. Having these instances connected is crucial because it allows data to flow effortlessly between the two platforms. If you haven't set up this connection yet, you might need to delve into the configuration settings within both applications. It requires verifying access permissions and ensuring that your user account has the necessary privileges to link these systems. Once you have that set up, we can proceed to the Confluence page editor. When you're in the editor, look for the plus button. This button is your gateway to a myriad of macros that you can incorporate into your page. Alternatively, there's a shortcut. Simply type Jira in the editor. This action will immediately allow you to insert the Jira macro into your Confluence page, which is our primary focus today. Having inserted the Jira macro, you can now select the type of report you wish to add. You have several options such as Jira chart or Jira issues. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose the one that best showcases the data you're after. Whether you're displaying progress, issue tracking, or statistics, the right report type will highlight the figures that matter. Next, you'll need to select the Jira project or filter that contains the data you want to present. This selection process can be customized further using a JQL query, which stands for Jira Query Language. JQL allows you to fine-tune exactly which pieces of information are pulled into your Confluence page, offering a tailored view of project metrics and workloads. Once you've pinpointed the right data, it's time to adjust the appearance of your report. This step is particularly important if you want the final output to be easily readable and visually appealing. You can configure the fields, add additional filters to focus on specific data points, and choose the type of chart, such as a pie chart or line graph, that best illustrates your information. Finally, with everything set to your liking, save your changes and publish the Confluence page. At this stage, the embedded Jira report will be live, displaying real-time updates directly within your page. This integration not only organizes your work, but also provides a clear overview right where your team collaborates. And there you have it, a complete process for embedding Jira reports into Confluence pages. This method keeps important data at your fingertips, fostering a more informed and efficient working environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.